Right.
Hi, I'm Jay. There's Jules. It's the snowy fucking storm out here in Markham, and we decided to try to fly a kite. See how it goes. Okay, after a good, let's say, what, 5 minutes? 5 minutes, we finally got it made. Now it's time to fucking fly this bad boy. So, do you want to run or do you want me to run?
Alright, you try first.
Okay.
Where are you gonna do this?
Over there. So, stop it for now. There. Okay. Come on!
Oh shit, it worked! Yo! Oh my god, it's beautiful.
Hello, mother dear.
It's beautiful. Look at that shit.
I can't believe it worked.
Flying like Dumbo.
No! Go, Joe, just let go of it. Now run the opposite way. You got this. There you go. There you go. Oh shit! Hold on to the camera.
Oh my god.
Okay, we finished doing it. It was successful. After 5 minutes, we're done. We want to go home now. Bye.
Oh, let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite and send it soaring up through the atmosphere, up where the air is clear. Oh, let's go fly a kite.